In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a .fig file into Figma step by step. This is a super useful skill if you've been given a Figma design file from a teammate, downloaded a project file, or you simply want to move an existing .fig file into your Figma workspace so you can start editing right away. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Figma in your web browser or launch the desktop app. Once you're inside Figma, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can access your recent files, drafts, and team projects. If you want the file to stay private or you're just testing things out, go to your drafts area. If you want the file to belong to a shared workspace, choose the specific team project where you want it to live. This is important because it determines where your imported file will be stored and who can access it later. Next, look toward the top right corner of the file browser window and click the import button, or it may appear as import file depending on your version of Figma. This button is what starts the upload process. After that, you'll see import options. Choose import from computer so you can upload the .fig file directly from your device. Now browse your folders and locate the .fig file you want to bring into Figma. Once you find it, select the file and click open. Figma will begin importing the file automatically. Depending on the file size and your internet speed, this may only take a few seconds. When the import is finished, your .fig file should appear in your drafts or inside the team project you selected. From there, you can open it, review the design, and start editing as needed. If the file doesn't appear right away, give it a moment and refresh the page if necessary. One quick tip, make sure you are signed into the correct Figma account before importing, especially if you need the file to be saved in a specific workspace. Also, if you're working on a team file, double check that you have permission to add files to that project. And that's it. You've successfully imported a .fig file into Figma. It's fast, simple, and once you know where the import button is, the whole process becomes really easy. If this video helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.